Hi everybody, this is going to be the third and final video on these because all I'm going to do on here is the unmolding. Okay, I gave it an extra day or two to dry, to cure I mean, because I wasn't sure. And I'm figuring I better first take the tape off the back and just take the whole piece of plastic off the board. I'm almost positive I'm going to be able to reuse this plastic too, because I don't mind if I tear it like that. Sorry about, I'm still learning how to edit videos. So, okay, it's not going to come off. So let me just do it this way. Well, from what I can see, it's the silly putty is still very soft, and it's separating very cleanly from the. I'll show you the edge in a minute. It's separating real super cleanly from the edge of the resin. I'm not going to have to do any sanding unless I have sharp edges. I tried not to make it have any sharp edges. Okay, I got one little piece stuck right there. Let me pull this away. I'm almost positive it's still stretchy and soft, so I'm almost positive I'm going to be able to reuse this again. Now, let me see. Okay. Resin usually comes very cleanly off of this black plastic. And there we go. Now, I can see a couple of little spots. If you can see it right there and right there. I could probably get in there with a I'm already getting it off with my fingernail through the gloves. So I can probably not even have to sand. See, that came off pretty good right there. So anyway, I'm going to say, for those of you who want to make geodes and are looking for an economical way, see that it didn't leak at all through any of it. This right here is, I know, this right here is a drip. I can probably, I'm going to test that out about retaping it and reusing it. But it came out, to me, it came out very well. Now the reason, okay, the back looks a little funny because my very first layer was just a plain green. And I did have, I don't know if you can see it or not, I did have a couple of wrinkles in the plastic, which is why in the first video that craft and bond is very important. Okay, I will do that later, but it looks to me like with a toothpick or a pair of tweezers, I can get rid of the rest. Let me get the coasters. Because they were done in only 2 layers. The wreath was done in 3 layers. Okay, remember in the second video, the first video, I told you I couldn't find silly putty all in the same color. That is why that looks so funny. Okay, now, I'm not even going to worry about the plastic. Well, see, look, just lifted right off. And I see none sticking. I see maybe a couple of little sharp edges that I'm going to have to kind of sand down or cut off or something. I can see it like right there. I know what this is. I poured way too much in this coaster and it went over the edge. Now, the first layer on this one was a green with the glitter in it. I just pulled that silly putty off, and there's not one piece of silly putty on the edge of this at all. and there's no resin stuck to the silly putty, and well, it'll take me a while to get it warm enough and pliable enough to reuse it, but it's perfect. So let me see how this one does. Lift it up very well. Little straggles. I'm going to need to trim the edges just a little bit on it. I used a gold that sank. Okay. And here's the third one. As you can see, as I'm pulling away the silly putty, not one little bit's left on there. Still pliable. And here is the fourth one. I know I didn't make them all the same size. I feel bad about that, but I rushed. Okay, I just pulled this one off. Yeah, I got a couple of little places where I really should trim it because it's sharp. But trim that, and doesn't need a clear coat, and just put a couple of bumpers on the back. Probably I'll use clear because I got a lot of those. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this final video. This I know was a drip. I'm gonna say that I probably will have to smooth this out again to reuse it or throw it away. That I'm not too sure. I can't find the acetate that Petra uses, so I don't know if the acetate would be better. I can feel that I'm going to have to sand down these edges just a little bit where it kind of came up the side. But Petra, look. I mean, this is the whole bunch of it all globbed together. And what I learned from their website is okay, yeah, I got a little bit of glitter in it. But you can probably, when you're reusing it, you can probably fold that to the inside when you tear it off and you're making a new mold. Anyway, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video on, this wasn't my idea to use the silly putty. I'm pretty sure I saw Joe Patty use it on one coaster, and I went and tried to find as much silly putty as I could, because I didn't know how much I was going to need to do this. And hers worked perfect, and I have now confirmed that it works perfect. Just gotta sand a few edges to get rid of the or even cut maybe, I don't know. But I will I might do a video of that too. I'm probably just going to get some 80 grit paper and sand it down a little bit or cut it off a little bit. But anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see any more videos that I'm going to be doing, because I'll be doing lots of them now that I've got a better editing program. I mean, it's still not the best in the world, but at least I can do a title page and whatnot. So hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button below this video if you liked it. And when you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified of my new videos. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and you all have a great day.